Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, you're going to see the process of installing a bracket in order to attach the voltage regulator directly to the battery box in the engine compartment of the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. Now, I'm going to keep you updated as the build of my airplane continues, and when it's finished, I'm going to film the first flight and also all of the flight test flights, and so you're definitely not going to want to miss this. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of this exciting adventure. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any additional details of the build that you would like to see, and I hope you enjoy this episode. Thanks for watching. Okay, I made a bracket for attaching the voltage regulator. I'm going to be attaching the voltage regulator up here, and I'm going to use this bracket. So I've already drilled holes, made the bracket. I'm going to attach the bracket to the battery box with countersunk screws so that there's nothing protruding on the inside for the battery to sit on and be damaged. So go ahead and put some screws in. Okay. The nut started on the ends on one side. Get all the screws started. Screw the nuts started. Three screws hold it in place, and the screw heads are countersunk so they won't be interfering with the battery inside the battery box. I'm using steel self-locking nuts. Since it's going to be in the engine compartment, it gets hot. You don't want to use nylon nylocks. You want to use steel so that it doesn't deteriorate and come loose over time. Okay, so the bracket is solid in there. And go ahead and put the voltage regulator in place and use a bolt to hold it to the bracket and tighten that up. Got a lock washer on there so it won't come loose. So now that's the voltage regulator in place.